of YouTube. Hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. Today I'm cooking a breakfast roll. So there's a panini, there's a banana to get it into scale, there's a packet of bacon. You can sort of see the size of that now. There's some free range eggs. It's a box of 12. I'll probably put that on top of that. And there's some CLONAKILTY sausages. Might be able to get them sort of somewhere. Maybe on top. Ooh, there's a bit of stacking going on. Or not, as the case may be. There you go, there's about a packet of sausages. And a bit of black pudding. So here's a bit of kerrygold. Just put it in there. Just going to lightly coat the bottom of the pan. The gas is on low as well, just so it doesn't burn the butter. There's nothing worse really than burnt butter, is there? So yeah, I'm just moving that around really, and I'm probably going to use a brush just to get it in all the corners, just so nothing sticks. That'd be better, wouldn't it? Put the eggs in there. Well, I'm just going to brush that off with a spoon. It will. Probably should use a fork really. There we go. There you go. Plenty of butter around the pan. Just keep it nice and lubricated. You get an egg in there. Just slowly cook that. Some bacon on the go. A couple of rashers of bacon in there. Just going to cut a couple of bits of black pudding. There's one. There's two. And there goes for Yep. Still using a brush. Cook slowly, just move that to the side maybe, so it's not in full heat. Bacon do its thing. Get some of that butter on there. Lovely. Then. Eggs looking yummy. Just going to move that egg. We're getting too cooked. I'm just going to chuck the panini in there just to toast. Oh, lovely. About 5 minutes with them. Egg looks just about cooked. Oh yeah. Just going to plate this in the frying pan, I think. Not very well, but okay. Move the egg over there. Black pudding's on. There you go, that's that done. Right, there you go. I'd say the sausages are about done. Look at them. Definitely a bit of iffy stacking going on there today, again. Oh. Hopefully you can see all of that. Just need a bit of something's missing, and there it is. Get the lid off this. Yep. Bit of the chef. There you go, an all day breakfast roll. Done again. Can I cut it? Probably not. But I can try. Not very easily, no. I'm probably going to stop it right there. So, if you like the video, give us a like, and if you want to subscribe, of course, subscribe. Leave us a comment, all the above really. Ring the bell, share it with anyone, and yeah, there'll be another one tomorrow. Okay now, hopefully. Pretty straight. There you go. Maybe not there. Maybe there. That'll do. And as for this, oh, bit of runny egg.
Lovely. Right, enjoy your day, people. See you later. Bye bye.